चलो आज हम पढ़ेंगे प्रिकॉशंस ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड. What are the precautions necessary for expenditure method? ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
So while estimating this national income through final expenditure method, we should take following precautions. Number one is only final expenditure to be taken into account to avoid error of double counting. Final expenditure is to be interpreted as expenditure on final goods and services. Expenditure on intermediate goods must be avoided. So only expenditure on final goods and services. Expenditure on final goods and services should be included in GNP, and expenditure on intermediate goods should not be estimated. Estimated to avoid double counting.
Yes, sir.
To avoid
Double counting.
डबल काउंटिंग को अवॉइड करने के लिए खाली expenditure on final goods should be included and expenditure on intermediate goods should not be included. Yes. Number second is expenditure on purchase of second hand goods. Second hand goods should not be included. Should not be included in national income. So the expenditure on second hand goods should not be included because value of second hand goods or expenditure on second hand goods have already been accounted during the previous year or last years.
Yes.
When they were initially produced and purchased by the final users. So they were already included in some previous year. Number third is expenditure on shares and bonds. Expenditure on purchase of shares and bonds. Shares and bonds should not be included in final expenditure. Should not be included in final expenditure or in GNP. Why? Because they are mere paper claims. वो खाली financial transaction होती है. There is no production of goods and services. Because they are mere paper claims. They are mere paper claims and not related to production of final goods and service. Such expenditure do not cause any value addition. So such expenditures do not produce goods and services. Yes. Number fourth is expenditure on transfer payments. Expenditure on transfer payments. expenditure on transfer payments
Transfer
by
payments.
government, like old age pensions, like
Yes, sir.
scholarships,
Widow pension. Widow.
yes, etc. Unemployment compensations, etc.
Yes, sir.
should not be included. It should not be included. What government spend on transfer payment should not be included in GNP. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Or है imputed value or estimated value of expenditure on goods produced for self consumption should be taken into account, as these are reflected in estimation of GDP. Also, imputed rent on owner occupied houses should also be taken into account. That is, imputed value of expenditure on goods produced for self consumption, जो घर में हम चीजें तैयार करते
Yes, sir.
हैं for self consumption,
Yes.
their value should be included. उनका value भी include करना है.
Include करना.
Yes, that is 50 is imputed value of expenditure on goods and services produced for self consumption should be included. Yes, and also imputed rent. Rent of self-occupied houses should also be included. Should also be
Included.
Yes. So this is all about the precautions of expenditure method. Precautions of expenditure method. Yes, precautions of expenditure method. In the next lesson, we will know about the circular flow of income. Okay?
Yes, sir.